Makala ya 23 ya mbio ya Standard Chartered yamezinduliwa rasmi Jumamosi kuelekea mashindano ya tarehe 25 mwezi wa Oktoba mwaka 2026. Mashindano hayo ambayo ni ya pekee kabisa nchini Kenya yenye hadhi ya juu zaidi duniani katika mbio za barabarani yatahusisha mbio za kilomita 42 na 21, mbio za walemavu kwa viti vya magurudumu kilomita 10 na kilomita 5.
Are coming up and they be able to develop their talents and they register times that helps them to be able to be recognized and even to be able to enter or to launch in the international races.
We have various programs that we have in place. For example, Women in Tech, Links to Work, as well as access to finance. What we are doing is to provide employability, we provide entrepreneurship, as well as education.
A couple of good things that should be coming our way. For example, the registration portal. We've refreshed that. It's easier, more interactive for the users. But also on the route, on the race day, we are going all out to make sure that the race is safe. So the support from a medical perspective, the hydration, working with our partners, just ensuring that we keep to the standards that we've been known for this marathon.
Kendra Masika na Lawrence Lorot wamebuka mabingwa